very massaging and feels really, really good. So after cleansing and exfoliating, the next two very important steps before you go to bed is nourishing your skin and replenishing it. So my product that follows is the Sacred Lotus Firming Serum. It is a very potent product. It has 15 anti-aging ingredients. It's like having 15 serums in one. So the same way, you apply the thumb's worth in your palm. And you apply it in upward motions on your face, a little bit around your orbital area, your neck, and on your beautifies, of course. Actually, the back of your neck is important as well. And they're all contributing to the radiance of this part, which many of us have ignored when we were younger. I think I did.